Hello everyone, welcome to the Stock Martin channel. I have an awesome video for you today. I wanted to talk to you about Lucid Group LCID stock. Its futures, we have seen a lot of red, a lot of bearish territory in the stock market as a whole. How is this going to affect Lucid Motors and its futures? I think you're going to get a lot out of this video. Before we get down into and get started, give me that big thumbs up. Keep me alive on YouTube. Smash that subscribe button if you are new to the channel. Hit that notification bell, hit all. Also share this page with others so we can continue to grow this channel. Down below right now, I can get you free Lucid stock if you open an account using my link to Moomoo. Down below, put in $100. That Lucid stock is yours. In addition to this, I can also get you 5 additional free stocks through Moomoo, potentially valued up to $3,500. Take advantage of this as this promotion ends at the end of this month. Now, without further ado, I did want to talk to you about Lucid Group LCID stock. We have seen a lot of downward pressure last week in the stock market. I just did a video about a market crash, market correction. We have started to see that, especially with the NASDAQ and the Russell 2000. They are already down more than 10% in the past 1 month. Right now, if you do compare that to Lucid Motors is actually holding on very, very strong. Now, that being said, there is going to be some more downward pressure in the stock market right now with the federal government. They are trying to tackle and fight the inflation rates that are out there. They have also been talking about increasing the interest rates. This will be very downward pressure and very bad news for tech stocks, EV stocks like Lucid Motors. So I did want to prepare you because we could have a lot more downward potential as we move into the next weeks to come. So I did want to just talk to you about what to expect in the next few weeks with LCID stock, as we do have 2 very big important things coming up. The first very big thing to come up is that 13F filing from the SEC, the Security and Exchange Commission. We will find out probably in about a couple of weeks with the public investment fund or with that lockup period that we just had on January 19th. How many sell-offs did we have? How many also institutions bought this stock? We'll definitely see more information on the movement of stock. Who is starting to get the stock? In my opinion, I do believe that institutions are starting to pile in, are starting to buy Lucid stock. But with right now, this downward pressure on the stock market as a whole, it will be very volatile. We could see very up days and we could most importantly see very down days. So I did want to just warn you and tell you that. In addition to this, on February 21st, 2022, we will see the Q4 earnings reports of Lucid Group LCID to see how many deliveries that this company had, how much revenue they have had. I have been hearing chatter, I have been hearing some news that potentially Lucid Motors has produced 577 vehicles last year in the year 2021, but right now it is not official and it has not been confirmed. Now, if they have done this, this would be a huge upward catalyst for this stock, but I still do think that we will have that volatility in the market. I did just want to just share with you and show you how the Lucid stock has been doing. Now, the LCID stock just in the past 1 day has been down 2.5%, testing a high of $39.80, but going as low as $37.30 just on Friday alone. But let's look in the past 5 days. This past week has been very downward pressure, has been very negative in the bear territory for all stocks moving forward. But as you can see, we did test a high of $43. We did test it a couple times last week, but we are down now at its lowest point at $37.75. But in the past 1 month, we are still up, actually, surprisingly, in LCID stock. Just barely up, but we are up. In the past 1 month, the lowest amount that we have tested is $36. That was our past stabilization, our past baseline in the past 1 month. But look, we are starting to having to retest that. Will we go down under that? I definitely think that we could have big potentials to see this stock go under that $36. The reason why is, again, because a lot of turmoil, a lot of negative news that is putting a downward pressure on the stock market as a whole. That doesn't mean that there's anything wrong with this company, but right now this is a new EV startup company. It is also based as a technology company, and right now during big corrections, during stock market crashes, there could be huge potentials that this stock could go down even lower than it is right now. So I did want to put that on your radar. Now, that being said, looking back in the past 6 months, we are still up actually 55.6%, but we have had that stability again at that $36 mark, which you could see here. Now, could we fall below this? Again, I definitely think we could. Could we start seeing the mid 20s again? This all depends on how long will this downward force, how long will this sell-off continue in the stock market. So we'll definitely have to keep you posted. It could be a matter of days. It could be a matter of weeks. It could also be potentially a matter of months that this could be lasting. If it does, I definitely think that we could be retesting those 26 mid-20s in the Lucid stock. But again, looking into the future, looking longer than about 12 months, looking at 2025 when Lucid Motors will be cash flow positive. This stock, this company has huge upward potential and movement. I do believe in this stock, in this company for the future. Remember that, again, we are in the EV revolution. We're at the very beginning. This stock will continue to grow up as we are just in the beginning phases of this. Now, will there be a lot of bumps and a lot of hurdles? This is one of the biggest things that we are seeing right now is a market correction, a potential market crash. This could definitely bring down pressures. What I am urging my viewers to do, if you do see this stock going lower, I have been saying in my past videos, if you can see it under $40, that is a great deal, but under $38 is a steal of a deal. Well, right now with the turmoil and with the stock market the way it is right now, we're going to have to pause that. We're going to have to just wait and see. What I recommend is waiting, holding. If you are up on this stock, very good, great. You might want to take some profits, but that being said, if you are in the red, if you are losing money in this stock, in my personal opinion, and always do your own due diligence, always do your own research and contact your financial planner, as I am not one. But that being said, do not, and I am not selling if I am in the red. If I am losing money in this stock, I am not going to sell. But when will I buy? When do you buy the dip? I would caution you to wait until we find the bottom of the market. We do not know when that's going to happen, but if you do buy this stock, make sure to nibble a little bit, just nibble, which means just buy a little bit, dollar cost average. If it continues following, again, dollar cost average in small amounts. Don't put a huge amount of money if you see it go below $35, because it could still keep dropping. That is why I do recommend dollar cost averaging and slowly buying and nibbling. But we have not seen where this stock market has found a bottom yet. I definitely think that we will have a lot of downward pressure moving forward. But looking forward long term into this stock has been evaluated by analysts. We've had, according to TipRanks, 6 analysts that have reviewed it. 2 are giving it a very, very strong buy, more than $60 as in the next 12 months price forecast. 3 are actually giving it a hold, 1 is sell. This does give it an average of a hold. As I mentioned, the highest price target in the next 1 year is $60. The lowest price target is $16. If you do average all these together, that does give it about $41.20, which is a 9% upside from right now at this point. But remember, we might still be falling down on this stock again, not because there's something wrong with the company, because of the market, the stock market as a whole. And this is not just the US stock market, could be impacting the global stock market in the world. But if we look at the predictions, again, according to Wallet Investor, 12-month forecast is $64. 5 years, this is what I'm looking at, 5-year forecast, $155 roughly. Again, I am a long-term investor on Lucid. I am going to be holding this stock for at least 5 years or longer. So this does give me very nice potential to increase my money, but right now is the volatile times. We will see when this falls on to the bottom, but again, I am going to be watching this and monitoring it, and again, nibble a little bit if it does go below $35. It could actually potentially go to the mid 20s, but I will be keeping you updated on this. But I hope you like this video. I hope you like this analysis. If you did learn something new, please give me that big thumbs up to keep me alive on YouTube. Smash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit all to get my latest uploaded videos. In addition to this, don't forget to share this page with your family, your friends, your coworkers, next door neighbors, so we can continue to grow this channel. Also, if you haven't already, take advantage of getting free stocks from my Moomoo account down below. If you open an account, put in $100, you are guaranteed a free Lucid stock. In addition to this, Moomoo will give you up to 5 free stocks, each valued up to $3,500, depending on how much money you put into that account. Now, also, cryptocurrency is a very good hedge against the downward pressures of the stock market. If you are into cryptocurrency, crypto.com, my link down below. If you open an account, we'll give you $25 to trade in cryptocurrency. In addition to this, Coinbase also has a nice promotion. If you open an account, put in $100, you will get $10 in Bitcoin cryptocurrency for trading. So definitely take advantage of these nice opportunities, as I do have below. But thank you again so much for watching. I hope that you have a great week. I hope that we do see some green, and I really hope that this downward pressure in the stock market ends soon, as I am also feeling it. I am also losing a lot of money in the stock market, but this is just temporary. This will be phased out, and it'll definitely be recovered after this. But thank you so much for joining. Have a great week, and I can't wait to talk to you on the next one. Thank you.